Okay, so the problem says that there are 0.11, 0.011 ounces in each pole, and he has 6 pounds. So the first thing we have to do is we have to change the 6 pounds into ounces. So there's 16 ounces in a pound. So 6 times 16, and I just do the sort of mental 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 6 equals 36, so it's 96 ounces. So then I do 96 divided by 0.011. And so if I follow that algorithm, I move the decimal 3 spots. So after the 96, I add 3 zeros, which gives me an answer of 8,727.27272727. I didn't add that part. So they should be able to get 8,727 pulls out of that much ounces. Um, and the way I think about it when I tell my students is how many 0.00011s are there in 96? So when you think about it that way, it's division, but you know your answer has to be a big number, because if I just have 1 ounce in 96 ounces, and there's 96, but this is 0.011. And so it's a very small number. So there's quite a lot of those in 96. And then the second problem is, so I gave you an example. Let's say I had 8 yards of ribbon, and I'm making ribbons for my friends with that 8 yards. Each piece I cut is 0.4 yards. So how many friends can I make ribbons for? If I cut 0.4 yard pieces out of 8 yards, how many friends can I make ribbons for? So again, it's division, but when you think about it that way, you get a better understanding of why the number gets bigger. So 8 divided by 0.4, I move the decimal, so then it's 80 divided by 4, which is 20. Another way I like to think of it is, let's say I have to run 8 miles, and every 4/10 of a mile, I want to do jumping jacks. How many times am I going to stop and do jumping jacks? I'll stop and do jumping jacks 20 times. So hopefully I didn't confuse you guys more. Hopefully this helps. So let me know if you need more help.